How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another bus conversion video. Today I'm going to be taking care of the rust on the floor. So as you can see in the background there's a lot of rust. As you move towards the front, there's less and less, but the back seems to be the cancer area. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to be using one of these. It's called the stripping disc. So basically it takes off the major chunks of the rust, and then for the rest we're just gonna be using POR 15. It's called paint over rust, and that what we'll do, will make the paint or the rust, will make that rust very strong. So that's gonna be in a different video. So yeah, basically the reason that I'm kind of not doing as much is because the weather here didn't cooperate pretty much, as for the past days it's been kind of cold. We've had, in one of the days it was minus 22, so a bit cold to be out here and working on the bus. But today it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and I thought I'd come out and start on this floor and see how far I'm gonna get. I don't need to finish today, but if we get a head start, that's even better. So after we do this, then I can lay the floor down, and then we can start framing. So that's gonna be in the upcoming videos. And yeah, so one thing I forgot to mention is protection. So make sure you have safety glasses and a mask, because that rust is going to create some debris and also lots of dust. So just protect yourself and be safe. Alright, you guys, I'm exhausted. Oh my gosh. This is all from the mask, I guess. It's pretty hot in here right now. I got most of, well, pretty much all the major rust off. Let me just show you here. So you can see the big chunks are gone as I grinded them down. It's a lot of just rust. So I grinded down majority of the big chunks. And basically next we'll just have to do the POR, the paint over rust, and that's gonna seal everything up. So I also have these holes which were used to hold down the benches. I gotta fill those up with maybe PL or something strong so the water doesn't come back in. Yeah, majority or all of the big rust is gone. As you can see, it's all grinded down and it doesn't look too bad, but once we roll the POR on all the floor, we're gonna do the wheel wells, everything. So basically we're gonna probably do like a 1-inch border across, just to make sure that it's nice and protected, right? So you don't want it to rust down the road, or your kitchen's gonna fall out, or who knows. Also, I'm gonna be doing undercoating for the whole bus once I'm done with everything. So that's gonna be a major exterior upgrade, I should say. And yeah, so next up we're gonna do the POR, and I'll show you how that is gonna be applied.